Ready to get paid faster and skip those trips to the bank? Let's dive into setting up direct deposit with FedEx. First, log into your Workday account. This is your central hub for all things employer-related, including payroll. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page and type in Payment Elections. Click on the Payment Elections option when it appears. On the Payment Elections page, you'll see your current payment methods. To add direct deposit, click the Add button. Now, carefully enter your bank's routing number and your account number. You can find these on a check or by contacting your bank. Double check to make sure these numbers are 100% correct. A typo here could delay or misdirect your payment. Set the allocation percentage to 100% if you want your entire paycheck to be deposited directly into this account. If you want to split your paycheck between multiple accounts, you can adjust the percentages accordingly. Finally, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. Then, click the Save or Submit button, depending on what you see on your screen. You might need to confirm your identity with a two-factor authentication method. And that's it. You've successfully set up direct deposit with FedEx. You can now enjoy the convenience of getting paid electronically. Check back in Workday to confirm the changes and view any pending updates.